105 today again if you missed it. Record for the date. Hottest ever in June. 103 now.
Stiamo giocando a Wolf Among Us.
Among
Us, che vuol dire? Visto che fai la saputella.
Non te lo dico.
Vabbè, è preso dal fumetto che si chiama
Naples.
No, è preso da C'era una volta Fables. Vabbè, è preso da un fumetto molto bello. Infatti io l'ho preso per... No, in realtà non so se ho preso prima il fumetto o prima il videogioco. Ho preso un po' in contemporanea.
No,
sì.
hai preso prima il videogioco.
Però prima mi sono letto il fumetto e poi abbiamo iniziato a leggere il videogioco.
Sono i colori acidi che ti danno fastidio.
Bellissimo. Sì, infatti sono come se mi fossi calato mezzo chilo di zucchero.
Prima
sono ritornato a 7 anni.
Bravo.
Lui è Luca Wolf.
Ma dai.
Sì, non è che proprio così. Magari qualcuno non ha letto il fumetto. E noi siamo un investigatore privato del mondo delle favole. Adesso stiamo attenti.
Listen, mate, I know I don't look human. It's a problem, I get it. I just stepped out the apartment for just a second to see what kind of damage this drunk shit is doing. Just cut me a break, yeah? I'll get me glamour first thing in the morning. Cross my arm. No need to kick up a fuss.
Trattiamolo bene.
No harm done. I'll give you a pass, but listen. If you can't afford to look human, you're going to the farm. It's as simple as that.
You can't send me up to live with those animals.
Sei un
You know
animale.
what I mean?
Go see a witch. Get a glamour.
Bigby, they're bleeding me dry, mate. The quality of the spout goes down, but the rates keep climbing up. Do you have any idea how much it costs to have an entire family in glamour?
Cioè, tipo l'italiano medio nei film americani, con la canotta.
I don't make the rules. Sorry.
Devo concentrarmi quando
I can't give you a free
rispondo.
pass this time. My hands are tied.
Right.
There's too much at stake. Whatever it costs, it's worth it. You don't want me catching you out of glamour again.
Fucking hell!
Cosa è
See?
caduto?
This is what I told you about,
Un
Sheriff.
televisore, forse.
You're just gonna stand there? Do something, Bigby, before he completely tears up the place!
So, what am I walking into exactly?
Wisman's on another bender. He's been going on like that for hours. Turn this place to dust if you let him. He's in a fucking rage. This is the last straw, Bigby. He has to go.
Fine, I'm heading up. Get your glamour.
Furry pricked up shite. Tell me how to spend my money.
Dad, the lights are shaking again.
What did I say? You want a big bad wolf to take you away?
No.
Then get the fuck back inside!
Gentilissimo.
Sì. Un
Era
padre...
meglio se lo trattavo peggio.
Ma potevi trattarlo male.
Dopo li tratto male, si ricorderà di te.
Vabbè,
che
anch'io
cazzo.
mi ricorderò di te.
Sì, in effetti.
Hey, look at me!
Let's go.
Potevi bussare.
Sì, in effetti. Però vabbè.
No,
Ecco.
I am
Whoa, hey!
You've got something on your face.
Fuck are you talking about, you stupid I'll fucking kill you!
Alright, everyone.
Ehi,
What are you gonna fucking do, huh? Get the fuck out of the way before you get the axe again.
Woody, this is your last warning. If you keep on like this, I won't have any choice but to put you down.
Put me down? You got a shit fucking memory, Wolf. That's not how it went last time.
This isn't last time.
Un sistema di combattimento
No,
molto più
controllo.
figo. Ma c'è sempre stato quel
Sì,
rasoio.
anche l'altra volta.
Non potevo sbatterlo contro il divano che è morbido.
No, dopo.
To! To! To!
Un po' lento.
Sono io.
Eccola là. Lei darti una mano, no?
Aia, questo fa male.
Back off, asshole.
La sono cavata bene. Fino adesso. X. Cerchiamo di essere diplomatici sto giro.
Look, I'm not leaving until I get what's mine.
You're not getting shit, bitch. I'll fucking put you in the ground.
Hey, if you can't be nice, I'm gonna make you wait outside.
Oh, fucking shit. You bugged my jaw, you bastard.
And still you talk.
Fuck you.
Shit.
Mettiamoci
What the hell
del
is
correttore arancione.
A little misunderstanding that turned into a real shit show. Don't worry, you saw the best bits.
There's more where that came from, girly.
Knock it off.
Look, this is just the start of a shitty night for me. I just need the money he owes me, then I can go.
Are you alright?
I'm hunky-dory. Thanks for asking.
Why was he hitting you?
Perché non gli hai chiesto come si
Maybe
chiama?
you should ask
Perché
him
non me ne
that.
frega niente.
I will.
Ah, cazzo, è vero,
Ask
forse
you
mi interessa, sì. Che mascalzone che sono.
He asked me if I recognized him, knew who he was. I said I didn't. He started beating on me. Then you showed up, started beating on him. That about cover it, hun?
I'm the woodsman, you whore. I saved Little Red Riding Hood from this monster. I cut this fucker open and filled his belly full of stones and threw him in the fucking river. That's who the fuck I am, you stupid bitch!
Would you excuse me for a moment?
By all means.
Come on!
Gli hai rotto la macchina.
Shit. Hey, Toad.
My car?
Yeah. Give me a second.
Oh, no, by all means. Take your time.
So, how good is your insurance?
I can't be mad at you. I called you, and you come to help. I can't be mad. But even when you help, things end up more fucked than they started. Well, at least you're not fucking dead.
Ah, ero distratto. Adesso uso la sinistra, non mi frega.
I know you're fucking in there. Come on out, you fucking dog. I'll put you out
Sta per venirmi un crampo al braccio.
of your you ignorant fuck. Come on out, Wolf.
Oh my god. Ecco, grazie.
Oh là.
Molto gentile, Lady.
Se la conosce.
You can't be doing that.
I'm just getting what he owes me. You alright back there? I mean, your eyes and the teeth? You're not really supposed to.
Gli diamo i soldi sto giro.
Ma
Not if I can
sì.
avoid it.
Ma poi secondo me pensa che...
Ma daglieli. Cambia un po', no?
The guy's got an axe in his brain.
Magari non
He's
muore.
not feeling that.
Non spoilerare.
Ma sì.
Oh, you fucking bitch.
Schifo.
He's had enough.
He's a fable. Son of a bitch can take plenty.
Come on.
Potevi farle uno scherzo.
Thanks.
Poraccia, è già piena di botte.
Who do you work for, really?
These lips are sealed. Sorry. Hey, you like my ribbon?
Beautiful.
Thank you.
Potevi dirgli smetti.
I feel like we've met before.
We probably have. We all sort of knew each other at one point or another. But things change, I guess.
I guess.
Una bella voce l'attore che fa il lupo.
Beh.
Shit.
Stop.
Come...
We don't have to make any more of a thing out of it than it already is.
Are you sure?
He's had enough. For tonight, at least. Wouldn't be surprised if he has an axe to grind, though. That wasn't intentional. Sorry.
How much was it he owed you?
100.
I'm guessing it'd be bad for you to show up empty-handed.
I'll be fine.
E diamoli
Let's
sto
see,
denaro.
I've got, it's 20, 40, 7, 8, 58. It's all I got. It'll help, right? Take it.
It's okay. I'll be fine. You've done enough, really.
Just take the money, okay?
You got me out of a bad situation back there. Thanks.
I'm still gonna need a statement.
I have to go drop off what I have.
Meet me back at my office, then.
It's a little late for an office visit, Sheriff. I'll swing by your apartment.
How do you know where I...
You live in the smallest apartment in the Woodlands. Everyone knows that.
Good to know.
You should get cleaned up. You look like shit. And I don't use that term lightly. Some of these look pretty bad.
Y. No.
I'll clean up okay.
I'll believe it when I see it. Hey. I need to tell you something.
Un bacino.
You're not as bad as everyone says you are. I'll see you around, Wolf.
Beh, abbiamo rimediato un bacio, direi che distrutto una macchina, un
85
appartamento,
euro.
85. Sto cazzo, sto bacio.
85 euro.
Ma va, vangulo. Ma va, bocca.